How to save document from WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can save document from WhatsApp on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to save document from the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, depends upon what the other person has sent you. So if they sent you a document, you can save that as a document. If they sent you a photo, you can save that as a photo or whatever else. So here you can see one of the particular person sent me a document here. So if I go ahead and select that document, and then if I would like to save that document, I can just tap on the share icon from the bottom left of the screen here, and now if you want to save it, you'll find an option that says save to files, which you can then use to just tap on it, and then that particular photo or that document will get saved to the files app once you tap the save option from the top right. This way you'll be able to save document from WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.